welcome to Words Well Read. Today, we are going to be talking about three words that you may have heard before, but might not be entirely sure how to pronounce them correctly. First up, we have this word spelled C-R-U-D-E and pronounced crude. Crude. Now, this word has a few different meanings, but the one we are going to focus on today is the adjective that means unrefined or raw. To say this word, think of a crude oil spill. It's not refined or cleaned up, it's just in its raw state. So to say crude, make sure to stress the first syllable. Here is a sentence example. These pipelines often carry natural gas, refined petroleum products, crude oil, and slurry. Next, we have this word spelled V-A-R-I-A-B-L-E. Variable. Variable. This one can be a bit tricky because the stress is on the second syllable. So to say variable, think of a math equation where the value of something can change, so it's variable. For example, variable interest rates. Pause the video and you give it a try. Here's a sentence example. The interest rate is a variable rate, which means it can change over time as interest rates fluctuate. And finally, we have this word spelled M-Y-T-H, pronounced myth. Myth. This one is a bit easier because the stress is on the first syllable. This word is used to describe a story or belief that is not true, or a traditional story. To say myth, think of something that's not real, like a fairy tale or a legend, or something like this, a unicorn. Here is a sentence example. Keep in mind that many of the stories surrounding the most haunted homes are steeped in legend and myth. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more pronunciation tips and tricks. See you next time.